Hey everyone, today I'm going to be doing an ASMR unboxing of the Surface Go 2 and the keyboard. So, let's get started and unbox it. This product is very light. I'm very surprised by how light it is. Let's have a look for the rest of the packaging before we turn it on. Looks like it's our charger, I guess. I have just paper manuals. You can have a look through some pages. A lot of it's not English. That's just the first few pages. I'll put that back. Don't think I'll be reading it. Let's power it on. I think we gotta hold the power button. Satisfying buttons to click. While we wait for that to turn on, I will unbox the keyboard. So that will be fun. keyboard. Alcantara. Ooh, some premium materials. Let's have a feel. How is this even open? There we go. Now it shows you how to attach. Oh, that's pretty basic. There's literally all our stuff is on the back. It's a lot of writing. Well, we don't need this packaging anymore. So let's toss it to the side. Let's hear that satisfying click when we attach the keyboard. Does it not magnetically attach? Maybe it needs a bit of bending before it'll actually stay. It wants to pop down. Let's give it some bending. Maybe it'll stay if we force it. Out of the box. Now I reckon it'll stick. Yeah. Oh, kind of. Whatevs. That's a very nice little device for the size.
Hi there. I'm Cortana, and I'm here to help.
No. No Cortana. Don't want Cortana. Let's try using the scroll. Man, I hope they didn't ship a UK keyboard. Ugh. Yuck. Good thing it's a US keyboard. Well, we got into the device. There's lots of updates. Never-ending stream of updates. We got some updates, so let's update the Surface. This thing, for me, I can one hand hold it. It is really small. But it's not a bad thing, it's really light. Like, this is like iPad level of lightness, and for the price, it's actually pretty good value. It's just a shame that they chuck in a Pentium. It's pretty low specs. Well, I'll get back after the update. Hey everyone, thanks for watching this unboxing. So far, I think for the price, this is a really nice product. Unfortunately, it has like rebooted 3 times and it still has more updates. So I'm gonna wait till it's fully updated before I fully try it out and test it. But so far the screen looks nice. The Pentium processor seems a bit lacking, but it could just be all the updates. And the quality of the device is like same as a normal Surface. Like, it feels really nice for the price. I'm impressed. Thanks for watching the Surface Go unboxing. I'm just about to unbox the Surface Book 3. So that's going to be fun. Click here if you want to see that. Otherwise, don't. And subscribe if you want to see more unboxing videos. And let me know what you think about the ASMR unboxing, if you like it or not. Lens Addict out.